We live in chaotic times, when many people have lost their sense of purpose. For thousands of years, religions like Christianity, Islam, and Judaism gave people a sense of belonging, moral direction, and social cohesion, a compass to guide what's right and wrong. But today, those old religions often seem out of step with modern science and technology. Their myth, rituals, and doctrine can feel outdated or irrelevant. In the 19th century, the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche famously declared, "God is dead." He saw that science and reason had eroded the old religious worldview. But he also warned that without a shared sense of purpose, society may drift into chaos or nihilism, a risk we're seeing unfold today. Unfortunately, Nietzsche didn't give us a good alternative. Some tried to fill the void with ideologies like socialism and communism. These movements promised a better world but often fell into the same traps: dogma, division, and even oppression. Many 20th century dictatorships that abandoned religion in the name of ideology committed terrible atrocities. Think of Hitler, Stalin, and many others. So what's the solution? We can't simply return to believing in the supernatural. That would be like going backwards. And keeping the status quo isn't working either. Society is atomizing and disintegrating. Just look at the West. But what if we could create a religion based on science itself? In nature, many things are like fractals, patterns that repeat themselves at different scales, made of smaller copies of themselves. Atoms have electrons orbiting the nucleus, just like planets orbit the sun. Inside our own cells, mitochondria work like the lungs, providing energy for the cells, just as our lungs oxygenate the body. Lysosomes are like the stomach, breaking down waste. The nucleus is like the brain, directing all cells' activities. Just as cells contain organelles, the body contains organs. Maybe this is the blueprint we need to build our society, our governments, and our way of thinking. Now imagine something different. What if we looked at society through the lens of biology? Just like every living organism is made up of cells working together, each of us is a cell within the larger organism of society. Welcome to Sots-viva, the first religion based on science. Think of the anima cells at work, where each cell is a character with a job that keeps the body healthy and thriving. Society works the same way. Each person has a role, and together we keep the organism of civilization alive. And here's another way to think about it. Is it a duck or a rabbit? The answer depends on your perspective. There is no right or wrong here. In the same way you can see a human as an individual or as part of a larger system. Both are true depending on how you look. If your life needs a purpose, here it is. The new God is the collective that you serve. See yourself as part of a larger whole that you need to serve just as it serves you. Sots-viva is more than just a religion or a point of view. It's a new way of thinking about society, a living, breathing organism. And it's not just about beliefs. It can also help us understand how to organize our economy, our government, and much more. But that's a story for another day. Stay tuned, Sots-viva is just getting started.